Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very common issue. Your phone shows storage full even after you have deleted a lot of files. And I know how frustrating that feels because you think you have cleaned everything but still nothing changes. So in this video I'll show you 5 simple and real solutions that actually fix the problem. Let's get started. First thing you need to understand, when you delete files, they don't get permanently deleted right away. These usually go into trash or bin. So even after deleting, storage is still being used. Open your gallery or file app. Now go to trash bin folder. Select your files, tap delete and confirm delete. Also check Google Photos, Trash and File Manager if available. Until you empty trash, your storage won't actually free up. Now this confuses a lot of people. If you see free up space, don't worry, it is safe. What it actually does is remove photos and videos from your phone that are already backup in your Google account. Open Google Photos. Now tap your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap Free up space on this device. Now confirm your action. Your photos will still be safe in your Google account, only phone storage will be cleared. Now this is one of the most important hidden reasons. Apps like WhatsApp, Instagram and Chrome store a lot of cache over time, which slowly files your storage. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on apps, app management. Select a heavy app like WhatsApp or Instagram. Tap storage and then tap clear cache. Just be careful, don't tap clear data unless you really know what you are doing. WhatsApp is often the biggest storage eater. Even if you delete chats, media files are still saved inside the app. Open WhatsApp, tap on three dots at the top right and go to settings. Scroll down and tap storage and data. Tap manage storage. Here you'll see your media files. Tap large than 5 MB. Now delete large videos, unnecessary forwarded files, old media you don't need anymore. This alone can free up a lot of space. So guys, if your storage is still showing full after deleting files, don't panic. It usually because of hidden cache, trash, files, WhatsApp media or cloud backups. Follow these 5 steps properly and your storage issue will be fixed.